Oh, what do I spy? I spy a Morris Minor. Is that the 1000 or the 1100? It is the 1000. Nice, man. Well, not really nice. It's a pretty nasty car, but still. Old car spotting, yes. Old cars.
Find out more and enter now at
Funky looking, don't they? Funky big things.
In the furniture village sale, you'll find amazing savings on it.
You can smell something funny. Don't click off the video, I'm not going fucking crazy. No, I can see it. There it is. I smell something, I can smell like a really rich burning, fuely car. Running on carbs. There it is, little MGT. We got a big American car. Look at the size of that thing. That's a beast. That's massive. Oh, look at that old little thing. What was that? Let me know in the comments. Oh, look at that. Look at that, that's beautiful. Don't know what it was though, but it looks pretty sexy. What is that?
I don't know.
What is it? Is that a car or not? It is a car. It isn't even like big enough for one person.
That's what you need, just to go to work and back.
No.
You love that and I love this car.
No, because it looks stupidly slow. That does look pretty cool though, doesn't it?
It does.
We've got some more old car spotting. Old car spotting, whatever that is, Beetle, and that is a little Volkswagen Beetle. Yeah, I'm getting good at this. Old car spotting, Morris Minor. Look what I spy! Morris 1000! Morris Minor, whatever you call it, I don't know. It's Desmond must have died. What is that? What is that? Some old car spotting. That was pretty cool. I see something old and something expensive. Not going to be able to see it, are they?
You can turn the camera off.
The other people, just about. Ooh, look what I see! Look at that!
What a great weekend it was, with Strictly coming back, the drums.
What on earth is that? Whatever that machine is, that looks fun. What is it? What does it do? It's called a Vogely. Vogely. It's a Vogely. What do Vogleys do? I have no idea. That's a colourful car. That's an old car. You like old cars? I've seen loads of old cars lately. Yeah, that looks pretty nice, doesn't it?
3/4 of a mile.
Hey, check this out. Look at that old thing. Check it out. That's something old in French. What is it? looks like a Citroen 2CV, but it's not quite right, is it? What is that? Let me know. It's a very nice looking one. Very nice, clean and fresh and tasty. But there's another one. These little Citroen things are everywhere. That's 3 I've seen now. This is getting ridiculous now. Unless that was the same one and I've just gone round in a complete circle. Ooh, what's that? It's an old Ford, isn't it? A lovely looking old Ford. Oh, look at that. What's that, a Morgan? Oh, lovely. Look at that. I've not seen one of these before. Old card button. Oh, look at that! Check that out. That's big and old and American. Murphy's something.